All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and learn the half double crochet stitch. So this is a stitch that's going to be just a little bit taller than the single crochet that we just learned, okay? The half double crochet is a common stitch. It does look really pretty as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the half double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and make my slip knot. Insert my yarn through the loop. I'm going to make a chain here. Let's just do like 15, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I did make a video on how to do the slip knot and the chain at a slower pace, so go ahead and go to those videos if you have come to this one a little bit too early. Now what we're gonna do is skip the first stitch here and we're gonna work into the second chain. Now the way to make a half double crochet is instead of inserting the yarn straight into the stitch like we did with the single crochet, I'm gonna yarn over my hook first and then insert my hook into the stitch. And then I'm gonna yarn over my hook again, pull through 1. Now you're gonna see 3 loops on your hook here. You're gonna yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So we're gonna do that again. I'm gonna yarn over before I insert into the stitch, put my hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through my stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So we're going to do that all the way down till we get to the end of the chain. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Almost at the end here, we've got 2 left. And there we go. So that is how the half double crochet looks. You see how it's a little bit taller than the single crochet was. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn our work and do it again going the other way. So just like we did in the single crochet, I'm going to make 1 chain. So chain 1, and then turn my work over. Now we're going to go ahead and work this way. Okay, so we're going to skip this chain that we just made and work into this next stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, yarn over, put my hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And then we're going to do that again all the way to the end. And then I will show you what it looks like. Now don't get discouraged if you don't get it right away. It does take practice. Just keep watching the videos and keep practicing. You will get it, I promise. And you will get quicker over time as well, but just take your time, have fun with it. Now we're getting to the last stitch here. Yarn over, insert my hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so now we're at the end again. Now this is what your half double crochet stitches look like. That's 2 rows of half double crochet. So now we're going to move on to the next video and we're going to do the double crochet, which is again just a little bit taller.